This is a letter that not only LAPD involved in setting a 5-page virus, but their co-partner in this, Surveillance Van 3 and FBI 2, and those are their Wi-Fi names. FBI's Wi-Fi name, FBI 2 at the time, which is now FBI Radar 1, and Surveillance Van 3, which is now Surveillance Van 4. Yes, LAPD's partners as LAPD was connected to them and given them access illegally to commit billions of dollars in crimes and fraud and identity fraud under my name, and committing copyright crimes to Homeland Security, copyright crimes to Instagram, copyright crimes to Facebook by changing their settings through hacking hacking Apache software systems and much more. We're gonna go ahead and give you the internet website where you can find all that evidence on. I don't want to hold back on you, so it's capital M. Excuse me, not capital M. We're gonna start from the beginning. It's on this website, which is M is in Mary, A is in Apple, R is in Red, K is in Kill, period. S is in Sam, H is in Hell, A is in Apple, L is in Lamb, L is in Lamb, I is in Indian, T is in Tom, period, 902 at Instagram.com. Very good. Go ahead and take a letter of this. This is me declaring true statements, as I don't have to lie about this. Let me get all that. Yeah, you should get all this. And then go ahead and look at the evidence. I do not want you to believe me for shit. I want you to think I'm a liar till you see the evidence, and then you say what you want to say after. I really don't care. The evidence will make a judge laugh at these guys and bitch slap them in their courtroom for being idiots and this big of morons, bringing heat on everybody. The same thing I do want to state for the record that the judge did last time, as he laughed at the bozos that decided to break down all these doors, but not before entrapping the female Ashley that was at my home during a drug raid that was botched. Not only them entrapping me by picking up Ashley's phone, but impersonating her and entrapping me into my home through the patio to give me an ass whooping. But not before they broke down every door in this home, caused $15,000 of damages, using a battering ram for doors that were unlocked, and all doors in the home. My mother's a witness, my mom's boyfriend is a witness, my brother's a witness, and my other 2 friends is a witness. And all the officers, including the one on my dining room table, shaking his head back and forth, saying, "Oh shit, they fucked up," in whispers, but shaking his head, nodding it back and forth. Yes, that one. But them not arresting me. Not at all. But at the court date that they gave me a ticket for foil with nothing on it that they left behind. The judge, actually did laugh at them. And them coming back 2 months later with no warrant, but planting drugs inside my home. Wait a minute. Isn't that illegal? Do you hear that siren? And that was the proof that I'm 100% right. So I'm going to put this on YouTube. I'm going to title it LAPD Proof on a $500 million lawsuit. Go ahead and get that.